and I'm going to show you how to climb a tree for realsies.
He don't know how to do it.
You must pick your tree, and you must bear hug. Sticky. Someone might even get paid to do this. I'm not even getting paid. I don't know how to climb a tree.
He don't know how to climb a tree.
But first, you must get some claws to climb into them.
That don't work either. Kids, don't try this at home. Kids, revive him with a pine cone.
No, I'm good. Those things are sharp. Pine cones are so underage for reviving.
We finished now, you know.
Stick.
No, not.
You must use a stick